Laundry seems to pile up, doesn't it? You leave it off for a day, 2 days, and pretty soon, it's everywhere.
I'm so tired. Just got off and I got a 7 a.m. tomorrow. Alright, let's just get the uniform ready, which is not clean. Oh man, what am I gonna do now? Come on. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Alright, I think I can wear this. It'll be okay. Oh, that is foul. Okay. Alright, let's see what we can do about this. Here, man, 30 years old, doing laundry in this sink. Alright. Oh man, I wish there was a better way to do this. Wait a minute. Wasn't there a guy telling me about some app?
Oh, listen, while you're here, would you mind if I had my laundry delivered here?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, I don't see why not.
Oh, check this out. It's this really cool new app. It's called Washitto.
Okay.
All right, and it's a laundry delivery service. You just have to set up your account, tell them where you are, when you want it, set the price, and then that's it. My dry cleaning is gonna be delivered here in no time.
Wow.
My experience with laundry service has been, to put it lightly, subpar. From the prices to the service itself, they just seem to fall short in every way. That's why I have created Washitto, the mobile app for laundry services. It is designed to make it easier to get your laundry delivered when you need it. Where other laundry services are unreliable and slow, Washitto is the promising revolution. Top quality laundry service is just a few clicks away.
Hi, Washitto.
Oh, hello. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
We are offering affordable dry cleaning, tailoring, membership, and a rewards program. This app is going to create new, flexible jobs and make the process of doing your laundry more convenient.
Alright, place the order. Hope that works. Not gonna worry about it now. So early. Oh. Right, I gotta rally. Who's this? Oh, they're almost here.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good. I got something for you.
Oh, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thanks for using Washitto, eh?
Of course, every time.
Bye-bye.
Have a good one.
Now we are turning to you, the people that hate doing laundry. Our funding goal is 20 grand, and every contribution will help us expand our business and take the startup to the next level. As a thank you, we are offering rewards such as access to the exclusive beta version of our Washitto app. Thanks for your support in advance, and stay clean.